Today, I'll show you how to generate payroll reports in Gusto. Whether you're a seasoned payroll manager or just getting started, this guide will make it easy to pull up the reports you need. Generating payroll reports is a crucial task for tracking employee compensation and ensuring the financial health of your organization. So, let's dive into the steps to get this done efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to gusto.com, open up your preferred web browser, and type in the website address. Once there, log into your Gusto account using your credentials. If you're not already registered, you'll need to set up an account, but for this guide, we'll assume you're ready to go. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. This menu is your gateway to various features within Gusto. Look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This is where all your payroll reporting needs are centralized, giving you access to a variety of report types that Gusto offers. Once you're in the Reports section, scroll down until you see the option for Pay Stub. Pay stubs are essential as they provide a detailed breakdown of an employee's pay for a specific period. Click on Pay Stub to proceed to the next step in generating your payroll report. Now, it's time to choose a check date. This is the date for which you want the payroll information. If you have multiple payrolls throughout the month, ensure you select the correct date that corresponds to the payroll period you're interested in. Additionally, you'll have the option to choose a department. This is particularly useful if your organization is large and you need to filter the report to show only certain departments. Selecting the right department ensures that your report is focused and relevant. With your check date and department selected, the final step is to click on Generate PDF. This action compiles all the relevant data into a neatly formatted PDF document ready for download or printing. This PDF will serve as a comprehensive record of the payroll details for the selected period and department, making it easy to share with stakeholders or file away for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a payroll report in Gusto. Remember, if you need reports for different periods or departments, simply repeat these steps. This process not only helps in maintaining transparency, but also aids in accurate financial reporting and planning. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about the features, Gusto's support is just a click away. They offer detailed guides and customer support to help you make the most of their platform. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on generating payroll reports in Gusto. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your payroll tasks a little easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.